Hi, I'm Jim Hayes, President of the Fiber Optic Association. I want to introduce you to a new and very important service from our organization, the FOA badge in fiber optics. The Fiber Optic Association is the International Professional Association of Fiber Optics. We were founded in 1995 to develop a competent, certified workforce for fiber optics. FOA has become the recognized certifying body for fiber optic technicians worldwide. We're also the creator of the largest knowledge base on fiber optics and FiberU Online. But what FOA is best known for, undoubtedly, is the fact that we have certified 100,000 fiber optic technicians worldwide. These are the technicians who have designed, built, and operated fiber optic networks everywhere around the world. They are known because they are certified by the FOA for their knowledge, skills, and abilities as fiber optic technicians. But one thing FOA has often been asked is, what about all the other fiber optic professionals? The people who work behind the scenes to support those technicians building the networks in the field. We're talking about the people in management, engineering, R&D, manufacturing, marketing and sales, applications engineering, distribution, supervision and project management, and many other jobs essential to the fiber optic industry. We're talking about the providers of products and service to the industry, at manufacturers and distributors. We're looking at service providers, telcos, cable TV companies, internet service providers, network operators, and data centers. We're looking at people who work at government agencies and the military. All of these people are also important to the fiber optic industry. What is a fiber optic professional? They're someone working in the industry who has an extensive knowledge of fiber optic technology. They're familiar with network design, installation, and operation. They may be working, developing, manufacturing, and providing products. They may be in management. They may be in marketing and sales. They may be in product application support. They may be working in hundreds of different jobs with service providers. All of these people are fiber optic professionals who deserve recognition. For those professionals working in fiber optics, the Fiber Optic Association is now offering the FOA badge in fiber optics. It's for any and all professionals working in our field. It's recognition of their knowledge and experience in all the different types of jobs in the industry. And it's a badge, not a certification. What exactly is a badge? Well, a badge is a 21st century high-tech online credential. A badge recognizes achievements in technical fields. It's easily validated because it's online and it's easily shared. It's compatible with online platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Today, badges are the way professionals convey their verified knowledge, expertise, and professionalism to their employers, colleagues, and others that they deal with in the industry. The FOA badge in fiber optics signifies comprehensive knowledge about fiber optics, how it's used in communications, the jargon or language of fiber optics, the components used to build our networks, the design and installation processes, the operation of fiber optic communication networks, and they have experience working in the field. Earning the FOA badge in fiber optics provides tremendous value to the earner, in part because it's online, it's easily shared. It links to social media like LinkedIn and Facebook. Because it's online and shareable, employers, coworkers, customers, everybody can easily evaluate the holder of the badge and know they have knowledge and experience in the industry. The FOA badge in fiber optics has instant credibility because it's from FOA, the leading professional association of fiber optics, and everybody knows us for our 100,000 CFOTs around the world who build the networks. The FOA badge in fiber optics is available to any and all professionals working in fiber optics. Candidates for the badge must verify their professional status and pass an online knowledge test. But FOA provides a free FiberU self-study course to prepare for the test. If you're a professional in fiber optics and would like to have your knowledge and experience recognized, no matter what your job, you probably qualify for the FOA badge in fiber optics. If you're interested and want to learn more and get started, go to the FOA website shown here and learn more.